Today we are going to unbox K-12 Math for first graders. And here we go. Hi, I'm Jill Broder, and today I'm going to show you the math curriculum from K-12 for first grade. Whenever you get anything from K-12, you get a packing slip up top. First thing you do is you look and see what is listed and make sure everything is in the box that's supposed to be in here. The math 2D shapes come in this box. They're individually bagged, but you're going to have to repurpose these and put them in some sort of container that will last. All of the manipulatives are really great that come in this kit, but the bags that they come in will not last. These are called the Snap Cubes. They're all colorful. They're great. They're great for teaching math. So as you go, make sure that you check off the packing slip, everything that's in here. They're really good about sending you anything that's missing. And in all of my boxes, I've only had one thing that was missing. These are the Math Base 10 set. You can put it in a crate or something. This is the way ours are. They're in here. So some sort of container to hold these, because there's a lot of pieces in here, and you just saw what they look like, so I won't even open that. These are the Math 3D shapes, and this is what they look like. There's spheres, cylinders, different cones, cubes. So anyway, these boxes are really made flimsy, so you need to put them in little deli cups or whatever containers, and you take them out as needed. So the last thing in the manipulatives is the mat that comes with it. I like to put the Math Base 10 cubes and the mat in one container, and I put the shapes in another container. Many people use tackle boxes. They have the different compartments. It has a handle, easy for your students to grab, but you don't need all of this in one place because you're not using it at the same time. So my advice is to package them like this. If you see this is the size that it came in, find something this size that's easy for a student or a child to open. They are in first grade, so you don't want to have to constantly help them. You want to foster independence. And all the lessons in the lesson guide will tell you what materials you need before you start. So as you go through the program, you may find that you want to re-box the Math 10 blocks and the mat together when you're getting started. You can figure out what's working and what isn't. But don't repurpose these until you need them. Then you can see how they're used and how much of it you need at one time. So this is the lesson guide for the teacher or coach. And each lesson is written out. That's why we love K-12. Besides being online, the lesson plans are in this book, and they tell you what you're going to need, what's online, what's offline, the checkpoints, all the pages are in here, the getting ready. So this would be a sample of a lesson. Grouping to add. It tells you the lesson overview, how many minutes each line is. So this is 5 minutes for a skill update. 5 minutes, and both of these are green, they're online. Getting ready, addition, number sentences. Then you're going to be offline doing your plate addition for 15 minutes, offline doing your group to add 10 minutes, offline learning, adding 3 numbers, 15 minutes, and then your try it 3 add-ins, 10 minutes offline. Here is your material list, what to gather before you start. These lesson plans are written for anyone. Just read them ahead of time so you know what you're doing. The pages follow the lessons that you're doing, and they can be pulled out. They are perforated. It depends on how you like to do things. Some teachers like to make folders for each student and each day make a different, pull these out. I like it all together. I like them to look in their book, see what they did the day before, and just turn to the next page. But again, it's up to you. It's well thought out. It's a really good program. If you want to teach your kids at home, this is the one to use for grade 1 math. So remember, we're all in this together. Let's make learning fun. See you next time.